In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove TurboTax Premium. Managing your subscription might seem confusing at first, but the process is fairly simple once you know where to go. Start by opening your web browser and visiting the official TurboTax website provided by Intuit. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner and log in using your TurboTax account credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken to your TurboTax dashboard. From there, locate the option for your Intuit account. Clicking this will open the main account settings page where you can manage personal information, security settings, and subscription details. On the Intuit account page, look for the Manage Subscription option. This section allows you to review and modify any active services connected to your account. Next, navigate to Products and Billing. In this area, you'll see a list of subscriptions associated with your account, including your TurboTax Premium plan. Find the Premium subscription and select the option to cancel or remove it. The system may ask you to confirm your decision or provide a short reason for canceling. Follow the prompts until the cancellation process is complete. Once finished, your TurboTax Premium subscription will be removed from your account. Managing your subscriptions through your Intuit account makes it easy to control the services you use and avoid unwanted charges. And that's how you remove TurboTax Premium using TurboTax.